What happens when I need a new roof? Okay, so this is my expertise. My title is Remove and Reinstall Manager. So this is a pretty simple process. If you installed with straight up solar, we have your documentation all on site, or all in our records. I can look that up very quickly. And there's multiple ways. If you need this service, you can reach out to us. You can go on our website, you can call our offices, or now you have my personal email, so please feel free to do that. Once I get the phone call, I'll do all my homework, get all the information I need, give you a quick phone call. You and I will have a 2 to 5 minute conversation. We'll just talk about the roofer, the insurance companies involved, where do you want to store the equipment, and just the other random things that come up. Every project is so unique, where we're going to put things, time, scheduling, but just a quick conversation to get that going. I can get you a quote in generally 24 to 48 hours, pretty quick. And we also do quotes for non straight up solar customers, and that's something that's picking up in our business. There's so many companies out there that have came and went and just left their customers abandoned. We're happy to help them with this process, because I mean, you need new roofs, you need your solar to be working efficiently. We need to keep the environment the best that we can. Okay, so yeah, that's essentially the step one, quick conversation. And if you're not a straight up solar customer, it's a little more legwork. We just need documentation. A lot of times we will do a site inspection just because we didn't install it. We want to see what quality's there, and that could take just a little extra effort and work. But yeah, once you decide you want to move forward with us, I coordinate with roofers, insurance companies. I do it on a daily basis, and we assign a crew, set a date, and get it done for you. Next slide, please, Eric. So yeah, then this is our start. Once we've signed the contracts, you want to move forward with us, you're happy with everything, the logistics are worked out. The crew comes on site, introduces himself, walks step by step with the project with you before they touch anything. Make sure you understand exactly who, what, when, where, how. We're going to take care of everything. You approve everything. First thing we do is set up safety. We map out the array. We inspect the array by getting on your solar portal to make sure everything's working correctly. And if there's issues, we'll let you know that, and we can correct that when we reinstall the system. So we do inspect everything beforehand. We want your system to work just as it is before, if not better. We come and reinstall it. Yeah, we try to replace the solar system 2 to 3 weeks approximately after we remove it. And logistically, this just makes it easier for us, because we have to order some materials, and we just never know how much we're actually going to need until we remove it and see what pieces can be removed, can be reused, and that need to be new. We always replace the flashing. This guarantees the waterproofing. So yeah, and again, this comes with a 5-year workmanship and roof leak warranty. We always back that up when we repair everything. I'm honestly happy to say, I mean, roof leaks happen. I'm not going to lie. I try to be 100% honest. Out of 60 projects last year, I had 2 roof leaks. In my opinion, that's pretty good. But we've worked with the customers, worked with insurance, took care of it. You can't even tell it ever happened. So just full transparency there. I do 100% open, honest, greater good for everyone involved in our process. So I am proud of that number. 2 out of 60 is pretty good. So yeah, yeah, once they get the system up, they turn it back on, make sure everything's running correctly. We generally watch the system on the portal for about a week, just to make sure it's running good. We let you know that, and then the project's done and you're running on the sun again.